Before proceeding, I request all the viewers to quickly subscribe to my channel and then click the bell icon for the continuous notification. Whenever I upload a video, you will be getting notified. If you don't like, then you need not click on the bell icon but subscribe. I am in need of a subscribers now. Okay, so let us start the session. Yes, let us begin with the cyber security. And as for every topics, the first slide will be this only. It shows my qualification and designations. My designation was in the last college as associate professor at Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management. I have a life membership in ISTA and IEEE from the same college. So after completion of this module, students will be able to understand the concept is a keyword here, of cyber security and issues and challenges. This is also another one, issues and challenges associated with cyber security. So upon completion of this module, what students will learn? They will learn concept of cyber security and issues and challenges associated with it. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can feel free to put it in the comment box below. So this is the syllabus. I already explained in the previous class, in the previous video, what is the topics, and today we are going to learn about these first two: definition of a cyberspace and overview of computers and web technology. Even architecture of cyberspace also we are going to discuss. Up to communication and web technology, I have slides, but if time permits, I will continue up to that. Overview of web technology. This is the second topic we have done with defining a cyberspace. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I will try to answer your queries. Overview of computers and web technology. Overview of computers and web technology. First, we will discuss about what is a computer technology. It is the study and applications of computers and their systems. It encompasses hardware, software, networking, and data management. So we already know what are the different hardware components that are available with computer technology, like hard disk, monitors, printers, mouse, PC, and RAM, ROM. Inside the CPU, there are so many components are available, like RAM, ROM, and then UPS, UMPS, I can say. The power supply which we will connect to the CPU. There will be a device called UMPS. It will supply the power to the entire circuit inside that device. And if it is a laptop, also same. There will be a processor which is connected with keyboard and web camera and inbuilt microphone, like etc. etc. And by using such hardware and along with the softwares, we need, for every hardware, device drivers are required. So the softwares are device drivers which are available. Like if it is a webcam, these days webcams are coming as a plug and play. They will automatically detect, and then we can access the video by using that web cameras. Networking and data management is possible because of this computer technology. Key components of computer technology are hardwares. First, the hardware components of computers such as CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Just now I told about this point. CPU, RAM, and storage devices, and peripherals. What are the peripherals? Means input output devices are the peripherals. Okay. And coming to the softwares, there are two types of softwares. One is operating system and the other one is application software. Like application softwares are word processor and games. Not only these two are the application softwares which are available, there are so many application processors are available. OSs are available in two versions. One is proprietary, which we need to purchase as a licensed, and others are available in free, like Linux, which is actually Linux is far better than Windows and Mac. Okay, but the people are uh, habituated to use only Windows and Mac these days. There are very rare people in the market. They will be using Linux as operating system in their PCs. Coming to the networking, the interconnection of computers to share the resources and communicate, it involves hardware such as routers, switches, and software protocols. Just now I told about this point in the previous slide also. Routers indicates, I told just now what is a router. It will be having, routers are available in the market with two antennas, three antennas, and also four antennas. And what do you mean by switches means, along with this router, the connection, especially in a particular lab, if there are 100 systems, we need switches for them. Like to provide the connection to each and every computer, we need switches. So there will be a small box available in that room. Uh, they will maintain uh, backup and then switches to provide the internet connection. And coming to the software protocols, we are going to discuss about the software protocols in the next slide. HTTP is such a protocol, TCP/IP is another example of protocols. Data management, the organization, storage, and retrieval, protection of data. It what it is doing is, in the data management, organization, storage, and retrieval and protection of data. It includes databases and data mining techniques. Okay, so what does it include? Databases and data mining techniques. Is it clear? So what does data management means? Another key concept of computer technology is data management. It will organize storage. If you if for example, for any reason, if the computer get crashed, or if you are unable to access your computer, then you can go to the nearby computer shop. They will retrieve the data which is lost. If it is important, if we need the data can be retrievable even after formatting the hard disk also. Okay, so don't blindly sell your computers to others if there is sensitive data available in the hard disk. Okay, you try to replace the hardware, I mean hard disk, and keep it with you only and discard it if there is sensitive information in that. Similarly, the protection of data, as I told just now, in order to protect your data, you need not depend upon the others, outsiders. They will be retrieving our data even though the hard disk is completely formatted. There are some certain techniques are available in the market so that they can retrieve the data also. It includes databases and data mining techniques. What do you mean by data mining is, it's a huge topic in the computer science. So we won't discuss more into the details of this data mining. It's a separate subject which is available in JNT University BTech also. Now, coming to the overview of computers and web technology, it's a continuation of the previous slide. I mean, previous topic. Key trends in the computer technology. One is artificial intelligence, other one is cloud computing, and other one is IoT, and other one is big data, and other one is cyber security. So we are discussing about this cyber security only in this semester. What does cyber security provides us? The protection of computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, use and use, disclosure and disruption, and modifications or destructions. There are some certain intruders who can access our data, unauthorizedly accessing our data, unauthorized use of our data, unauthorized disclosures and disruptions, unauthorized modifications, and unauthorized destruction of our data. So if we are not alert, if we don't have a licensed antivirus software with us, and if we don't have a firewall installed in your system, these days all operating systems are coming with standard firewalls only. So we need not even install if it is a Windows 11, we need not even install antivirus. But certain like laptops will come with default antivirus, especially HP is coming with McAfee. They have tied up with McAfee and they are providing license for every year as a single PC or multi PC users like that. I have a license of McAfee for one PC because I have only one PC. And coming to the first artificial intelligence, I told just now, artificial intelligence is a system that can learn, reason, and problem solve. If you look at the big picture of what is artificial intelligence means, the first thing is called DL. DL is deep learning. Next is machine learning. And above that, the last above circle is artificial intelligence. We will feed the data to the computer and we will make the machine to learn how human beings think. Especially, it starts with it. The deep learning requires the concepts of probability. If we are good at probability, then this deep learning can be easily understood, and we will feed numerous huge data to the machines how human beings thinks. Then using this machine learning, AI will predict and it will give appropriate or almost same like how human beings think. And in the coming years, AI is going to dominate all the different employees in software engineering and even teachers also in the teaching industry. Even now, student can learn on his own about these topics. A teacher is not required these days. There are so many resources available online. Next, cloud computing. What do you mean by a cloud computing? The delivery of computing services over the internet, such as storage, processing, and software. For example, take Google Photos, Google Images, app called Google Images. If you in your mobile, you can access Google Photos also instead of mm, direct the pictures which are captured from your camera. There is separate app in the Google folder. Like you can, if you click on that app, it will show you not only current pictures, but it shows the last year on this day you are like this. It will create animated video with music also in that. So we can just go back to our last 2 years or 3 years, 4 years, something like that, and we can watch our key important moments. It will it will create a animated video, and we can share it to our relatives or XYZ persons. Internet of Things. As I told just now, it is the interconnection of physical devices like at your home, fan, AC, and coolers, and in vehicles like car, bus, and trains, aeroplanes. In buildings like these days, civil engineering is also evolved into the market in such a way that they are using smart sensors in the buildings so that they can include this IoT technology in the buildings. Like as I told just now, embedded with electronics, softwares, and sensors and network connectivity. Okay. So if you have an internet connection, then only this IoT will work. IoT stands for Internet of Things. As the word internet indicates, if internet is available in your devices, in your vehicles, in the buildings, then only you can access using electronics, softwares, and sensors, and network connectivity like that. Okay. Big data. What do you mean by big data? It is the collection, storage, and analysis of large data sets. Okay, as the name only tells, big data, it is dealing with large data sets. Okay, if you give a simple set in the deep learning, machine cannot predict exactly what the humans thinks, and AI also goes wrong. If AI has to be perfect, then machine learning should be perfect, provided if you give huge data to the system. so that it can learn from that. Cyber security, just now I told in the beginning of this slide. I mean this point. Coming to the next, I think this is the next topic. Okay, continuation only. Key components of web technology. Like I told you in the one of the previous slides, we are going to learn about certain components of web technology like HTML, hypertext markup language. This is the standard markup language for creating web pages. Okay, that's the reason why you can see these days we are getting HTTP, HTTPS kind of websites. Actually, every website will start with www. Before that, you can see HTTPS. S indicates security. If there is no S, it is unsecure website. So don't forget, before entering before accessing a link, ensure that there is S in that. S indicates it's a secured website. Then cascading style sheets. What are CSS? Cascading style sheets is a language for styling the web pages, controlling the layouts, fonts, and colors, and many more. Like if you open the website of Apollo, it looks like with different GUIs. Interactive ness is there in that. Or if you open website of any famous website like uh, PVR or big Book My Show, they will be having different. There are so many different web developers are available in the market. One is Wix, other one is uh, WordPress. WordPress is famous among the hosting services. And in order to develop a website, we need a domain and we need hosting services. So for my website, HANU7.com, it is also secure website, HTTPS only. In that, I am using a domain from the Google. These days, Google sold its entire domains to squarespace.com. So from squarespace.com, recently I renewed my domain. It got exhausted in the month of July. So that's the reason why it was not working. So I opened it recently and I modified all the pages. It is still under construction, not yet completed. So I will share once if it is done. As of now, you can see there are only few pages. Introduction to the website, I mean to my academy, and then there are some certain tabs like online store where you can purchase books and or otherwise you can rent the books, and then tuitions is available. If you click on the tuitions link I have right now provided, only it will redirect you to my YouTube channel. Okay, there you can see in both the clicks, online and offline, it is redirecting to only the YouTube channel. I will create Google Forms and then I will capture the data from the users for online tuitions or for offline tuitions. Then coming to the JavaScript. This JavaScript, you already know it's a programming language and it is used to create interactive web pages. But right now, Python is dominating this. Instead of Java, people are depending upon Python. Coming to the web servers. What are web servers? Computers that deliver web pages to the other computers on the internet. Databases. They are used to store and manage data for web applications. Okay. So, what are the key trends in web technology? Responsive web design. Okay. So, designing a websites that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Like if your website is only, uh, I mean, accessible through the desktops, but not fitting to the mobile screens. such is a useless website. Nobody will prefer such kind of websites. So these days, all websites are coming in both mobile versions and tablet versions and PC versions. Okay, that means that screen sizes indicates that only, and devices indicates mobiles, tablet PCs, and laptops are personal computers. Progressive web pages, PWS will call it as progressive web pages, web applications that offer a native like experience, okay, on mobile devices. Single page applications, SPS will call it as, these are web applications that load single HTML page and dynamically update the content. Okay, so what do you mean by dynamically updating the content is, if we change something, it will automatically update in the website. If you open the website, the content will be automatically updated. We need not again sit on that backend tool. Actually, for a website, there will be front end tool, that is the GUI which is visible on the screen. But in order to generate that, uh, like for example, a simple video display requires a lot of things in the programming. We need to embed it some code in the program using either Java or these different techniques, whatever we have learned, Python programming, all those things. Okay, full stack development, the ability to work with both front end user interface and back end user interface, back end user, back end server side technologies. So just now I told that the websites will have front end and back end. So that's the reason why this full stack development is the ability to work with both front end and back end. Both computer and web technologies are rapidly evolving fields in the significant impact on our daily lives and businesses. Okay, so because of this advent of internet, I mean availability of internet with a lot of resources, we can design a beautiful website with using wix.com, or you can purchase domains using GoDaddy or Squarespace. Earlier, Google used to sell their own domains, but these days they have shifted their domain space to squarespace.com. I think that also belongs to Google, but they changed the name. I don't know exactly. If I am wrong, I will take my words back. So both computers and web technologies are rapidly evolving fields in the significant which plays significant roles in our day-to-day lives and businesses. Four images I have captured from that website only. This shows artificial intelligence. This shows artificial intelligence. This shows web apps development, app development. And here it is human hand is interacting with a robotic hand. So this is about robotics, or even this is also robotic hand, but it is using artificial intelligence. Like it is having same like the how human hand behaves, and is working in this shows the back end and front end design of the particular websites. Okay, so with this we come to an conclusion of this video. You can subscribe to my channel using this URL. HANU7 is the URL. Let me show you that. It is very simple. You can open youtube.com or open YouTube app in your mobile and open HANU7. If you type HANU7, HANU without any space 7, then you will get my uh, video open. You can open view channel. It will actually, there is a logo in yellow color with H7. So that is my official channel. And then once if you open it, there are so many playlists with around 350 videos, I think, if I am not wrong. And this is my contact number. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to express through WhatsApp. It is a WhatsApp number. And if you want, you can access my website HANU7.com. I will quickly erase these things on the screen. And if you directly scan this QR code, you will be able to what you can say, subscribe to my channel. I mean, it will redirect you to this particular URL, youtube.com/hanu7. You need not type it. It will automatically access my channel. But immediately if you open this, it won't show you my videos. You have to go to the option called view channel. There, if you open any particular video, and there you will get the subscribe option. So kindly subscribe my channel and then help me to get monetized from the Google. Right now, Google is earning money from my videos. Actually, some of the videos in my channel are trending, especially MPMC lab. You can also watch those videos if you are interested in learning how to program microprocessors and microcontrollers. Okay, so with this, I would like to take a leave from you and thank you for listening.